Hello students, today we will learn about word processor. Children, have you ever noticed the layout of question papers of different subjects? The question papers mainly consists of text, which are typed. Can you tell how they have been typed? Yes, you are correct. They must have been typed with the help of a typewriter or a computer. Such type of textual contents are easily typed and made in computer with the help of a word processing package. We can type text and create documents easily in a computer with the help of a word processing package. A word processing package enables us to type text, make changes in a text, and save the contents. Some common word processors are OpenOffice Writer, Microsoft Word. A word processing package enables us to type texts, make changes in the text, and save the contents. In this section, we will learn how to make documents in the computer with the help of a word processor. Let us see how to create a document. Click on the Start button. You will get a startup window which is called Pin Tiles. This is all apps option. But first you see at the left side Life at a Glance, which includes mail, Microsoft Edge, photos, weather, etc. At the right side, Play and Explore is there, which includes MS Office. But you click on this button. This is all apps option. When you will click, you will get these all apps and you choose MS Word over there. Now Word is open. Now here you will get predefined templates. As per your need, you can select any one from this and you can work with it. But we have to create a new document, so we will click on blank document. So here I have selected blank document. As you can see on the screen, cursor is blinking. You can start typing over there. Suppose I typed hello. Now these are the menus. At the top, title bar is there. There you can see document 1, which shows that document is not saved. So click on file option. There you can see these many options like new, open, save as, print, share, export, close. Click on save as. This PC is there. Place define where you want to save. I selected desktop. Here I will put the file name. Suppose ABC. I will type here ABC and I will click on save button. So my file is saved now. Look at the screen. Title bar ABC Word is there at the top. Now these are the menus. Home is active. Home menu. Now I selected hello and after that I will click on B for bold, I for italics and U for underline. When I will click, it will be applied on my text, as you can see. Now again I am selecting it and choosing the font style. These are the font style. Scroll the screen. Choose any one style. Suppose I selected Arial Black. It is applied on my text. Beside that, size is given. You can increase the size of your text. This way you can select it. Directly also you can increase the size by this option. See, you can increase the size and beside that you can decrease the size. Here is the option for change case. Sentence case, lower case, upper case. You can change it from there. As I am showing you. See. Any one option according to your requirement, you can change it. After that, you can apply text color also by choosing this option. Here any one color you apply. I have selected green one. Now it is applied on my text. After that, here you can see these are the options for left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify option is there. By selecting and by doing this, you can apply on your text which you want. Left alignment, justify, or right alignment, center alignment, according to your need, you can do it. Now once again I am highlighting my text and I am going to apply cut, copy, paste option. At the left side corner one, you can see cut, copy, paste is there. I have selected copy option, then cut, then I am going to paste it. So I hope you understood how to copy, how to paste. By shortcut key also you can do. Control C for copy, Control V for paste, and Control X for cut option. And by the mouse also there is option to do the same as I have done. Now you can see this is the minimize button. You can minimize the screen and you can choose another application. This is maximize button. Again I am clicking. Look at the screen. Now your screen is maximized. This is the cross button. When I will click, it will ask you want to save. First save it, and now your file is closed. Now how to open? Look at the desktop. ABC file is there, which I saved on the desktop previously. Now double click and open it. My file is open now. Same file, hello is written over there, as you can see. Now file option, click on print if you want to take print out of this page. Number of copies you mention, how many copies you want, 1, 2. Now you can see you want one side print out or both side, you mention it there. I have selected one sided only. Now here is option for portrait orientation or landscape orientation. As you can see on the screen, this is landscape. Now portrait option I have selected. I hope you understood landscape and portrait. Now this is the size of the page. A4 I have selected. Many more options are there. According to your need, you can change the size of the paper. I selected A4. Now portrait I have done. Now here is given margins. Normal margin you want or narrow you want. Many more are there according to your requirement. You can change the page setup. This is the narrow one, but I will make it normal. Now it is in normal mode. And click on print button. It will be applied and you will get the printout. But before printout, you must check the print layout of the page. For that, go back, go to view option. Here you will get the option print layout. When you will click over there, you will get option one page view. Multiple pages view are also there. Look at the screen. it is there. If more than one page is there, you can look from that option. Now 100% view is this one. This way you can view your page before printing. Now go to open option, and this is my file ABC. Click on that. Now your file is open. This way also you can open your file. Now this is home menu. I have selected it beside right. If you will right click the mouse, you will get these all options on the screen, on the page. By that also you can select bold, italic, underline, etc. This way you can type. So now I am closing it. First click on save, then only. I hope you understood how to create a file, how to save, how to open, how to exit. That's all for today. Keep practicing.